Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Perfect-privacy.com is a website dedicated to providing robust and comprehensive online privacy solutions. They offer a virtual private network (VPN) service designed to safeguard your digital footprint and enhance your online security. By routing your internet traffic through their secure servers, Perfect Privacy masks your IP address, making it appear as though you're browsing from a different location. This effectively shields your true identity and location from prying eyes, including websites, advertisers, and even your internet service provider. This service is particularly useful for bypassing geographical restrictions, allowing you to access content that may be blocked in your region. Imagine streaming your favorite shows or accessing websites that are normally unavailable in your country. Perfect Privacy makes that possible. Furthermore, the encryption provided by their VPN protects your data from interception, ensuring that sensitive information like passwords, financial details, and browsing history remains private and secure, even on public Wi-Fi networks. Perfect Privacy emphasizes its commitment to user privacy by offering a no-logs policy. This means they don't keep records of your online activity, providing an additional layer of anonymity. They also offer advanced features such as multi-hop VPN connections, which route your traffic through multiple servers for increased security and obfuscation. For users seeking even greater control, Perfect Privacy allows you to customize your VPN connection settings, offering a flexible and tailored approach to online privacy. The website offers a wealth of information about their services, including detailed explanations of their features, pricing plans, and server locations. They also provide comprehensive support documentation and resources to help users get started and troubleshoot any issues they might encounter. Perfect-privacy.com presents itself as a comprehensive solution for individuals looking to enhance their online privacy and security in today's increasingly interconnected world. They strive to empower users with the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the digital landscape with confidence and peace of mind. So, if you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich VPN service, be sure to check out perfect-privacy.com.